Hello and welcome to MacEdu YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss what happens when your Wi-Fi break down. Well, in this video I'm going to show how you can use USB tethering from an Android smartphone to your Mac. So sit back, relax, and now on to the video. So let's say you're out on a trip and you don't have a Wi-Fi connection, or for some reason your Mac cannot connect to a wireless connection. So what other options do you have in this case? As connection via Bluetooth is way too slow, if you use an Android smartphone, your Mac won't allow access to that connection. Because your Mac does not have drivers for Android devices, well, there is a way that you can connect your Android device to a Mac. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. There is a driver called Wont that will allow you to use USB tethering from your Android smartphone, and it is fully supported up to macOS Mojave. It is very easy and does not require any additional input other than enabling USB tethering in your smartphone. So download the driver from the links in the description. After you open the website, scroll down and download the latest version, which is 9.2 at the time of this recording. After the download, open and click continue and hit install, and it is pretty much done. Now connect your Android smartphone via USB and enable USB tethering in your phone. For instance, my Galaxy S7 Edge running 8.0 Oreo. You can just go to settings and connections and scroll down and select mobile hotspot and tethering. And from here you can enable USB tethering. Now you must be wondering about the data speed. Well, if you connect your phone to a Wi-Fi router and then use USB tethering to connect to Mac, the speed will be as fast as a Wi-Fi connection through your Mac. So as you can see, we can access the web through Android on a Mac. This was a quick video. I hope this helps. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and the aim for this video is 30 likes, and I know it is a lot, but I believe in you guys and we can do it. So once again, stay positive and I will see you in the next one.